make it. This is why you want to learn digital marketing, because a lot of you like, what is Midjourney? What is this? This is a prompt. So this is the prompt. Midjourney it's like $13 a month. Look it up. You're gonna come here. I'm gonna show you some basic prompting. You're gonna come here. It's gonna be /imagine. You click that. It's gonna say enter the prompt. I'm gonna paste this same prompt that I already made. So let's break down prompting. Just very simple. This is like incomplete sentences. But when you start learning this stuff, you're gonna start being creative. The first part is learning foundation, fundamentals, how to prompt, what it does, what these phrases mean, and then you can get creative. So I want a cartoon graphic. It's a before and after ordeal. Like I'm talking to AI like I have a graphic designer on my hands. Use an African-American stick man. I was going for a stick man as the character, and it gave me a whole bunch of stuff. Look, it gave me a whole bunch of different crazy stuff. These are fire designs. Look, this is fire designs. One stick man looks sad and depressed and working a delivery job, and the other one has a nice smile with diamonds on his neck. So this is probably from this one, but we're just gonna put it in anyways. And I put my brand. He has a hat that says FLR and luxury clothing on. So I want them to make sure the clothing they wear look luxury, like designer almost. You see how it all looks like something that everybody will wear. In a cartoon car that looks like a Stingray Corvette. That's a car that I inspired to get. Let me erase this. And Bob, we're gonna hit enter. And you know it's good when it's saying waiting to start. Tap the screen if I'm dropping some game. A lot of people fell off, and I'm telling you, they're missing free game. This is why you gotta have the attention span to learn. This is stuff that I learned in digital marketing. So you see how I don't have to just sell a course. I just launched the merch brand with the skills that I learned, which is this is AI. I learned AI, and I use my mind. I said, hey, I could use AI to create designs for shirts. Now I'm ahead of the game because everyone's going to, regular ordeals, taking regular images out of Canva, and I'm in AI cooking up in 2 minutes. Look what I just did. Look what I just dropped. I could put this on a shirt. Then you're gonna, whatever one you like, you're gonna upscale it. Wow. I'm telling you what. Everybody fell off, and I'm telling you, this is why a lot of people aren't in the position they want to be in. This is exactly why people aren't in the position they want to be in. They can't sit enough to learn anything. I just made a shirt, got my brand on it. I'm going to put this in Canva. Save it to downloads. Let's see what other designs I got. This is an interesting one. Or I can also, another thing I can do is I can make memes, make my own memes. Like this is like a meme to me. I can make memes out of this. You can you can have content going crazy, memes, different stuff. What else? This kind of didn't do what I wanted, but it's a nice image. So I could like cut this one out. So I'm showing you guys skills that I learned in digital marketing. So a lot of people are reselling a course because they want to make money now. A lot of people don't have time yet to set all this up and they don't know how to do any of this yet. So they want to see how can they just start making content and making money.